Do you know a liar? And I'm not talking about big-time politicians. I'm just talking about people in your life. And if you do, which you probably do, how is your level of respect for them? What's your admiration for them? Hello, I'm Clarence. I'm the preacher. And I'm here to tell you that if you really want to be respected and excel in Christ in any part of life, then honesty is a major component of living that happy life. Now, that seems so obvious. You kind of wonder, well, preacher, why do you even need to say that? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm wondering. But apparently it's not so obvious because it's a perpetual problem from generation to generation. And in Ephesians 4:25, Paul had to tell us to put away lying and speak truth to one another. But there are some people that need to go back to their spiritual training, all the way back to kindergarten, spiritual training 101, and take the truth courses all over again so that they can get the dishonesty out of their heart. When God told us not to lie, He was not being a bully. He was trying to show us how to have a good and wholesome, wonderful life, because the best life is founded on honesty. Now, you can take some shortcuts to happiness and have a little temporary joy with a lie, but they're always going to crumble in. It's going to be a house of cards, and eventually you're going to have to pay the price for that, and you're going to have much more misery than you got joy. And so God is just saying, listen, I want to protect you from that. But somehow His message has been twisted and demented, and people think, oh, God's trying to be a bully. No, God's trying to get you to heaven. And the Bible is very, very clear. Revelation 21:8, 21:27, that liars don't enter the kingdom of heaven. And they have a place eternally that's not very pleasant. So sure, you can tell lies and have a shortcut to some temporary happiness, or you can learn to be a soldier of Christ, stand up on the truth, and have eternal happiness. And the choice is up to each and every one of us, right? So, hey, share this video if you think you know a liar, which I just guaranteed this video won't get shared, right? Share this video if you think it'll help somebody out. Put your comments below, share your thoughts, and as always, I hope you have a great day.